Welcome to our channel. In this profound hadith from Sahih Bukhari, we are reminded of the beautiful simplicity of religion and the importance of moderation in our practice. Let's dive deeper into the wisdom of these words of the Prophet Muhammad. Today, we reflect on a profound teaching from Sahih Bukhari, hadith number 39. Translation. Narrated Abu Huraira, R.A. The Prophet said, "Religion is very easy, and whoever overburdens himself in his religion will not be able to continue in that way. So you should not be extremists, but try to be near to perfection and receive the good tidings that you will be rewarded. And gain strength by worshipping in the mornings, the nights." Summary. The hadith conveys the message that religion is meant to be easy, and those who burden themselves excessively will struggle to maintain that path. The Prophet advises against extremism, encouraging believers to strive for near perfection without overwhelming themselves. By maintaining a balanced approach and finding strength in worship during both mornings and nights, one can achieve spiritual growth and reward. As we conclude, let's remember the wisdom of the Prophet to seek balance and moderation in our spiritual journey. Join us as we explore the wisdom of maintaining balance and moderation in our spiritual journey. Let's strive for perfection in a way that brings ease and strength to our lives.